Hello Internet, welcome back to Placement Videos. I'll be discussing about the sorting algorithm of an array. Here I'll be discussing about a very basic approach, that is bubble sort algorithm, because the other sorting algorithms like merge sort and selection sort, insertion sort, I'll be discussing in my sorting video tutorial in the algorithm part. Fine. So now let's understand the sorting technique or bubble sorting algorithm. So before diving into the solution, let's discuss about what is sorting and all. I hope you know what is sorting. This is nothing but rearranging of an array by its ascending or descending order. Let's say I'm calculating or evaluating the ascending order. So what will be the output of that particular array? Nothing but 0, 2, then 7, 8. Fine. How I have calculated this? By using a simple technique, that means I'm comparing the adjacent elements and I am swapping the both element if the leftmost element is greater than the rightmost element. This is nothing but 7 is less than 8, so it won't be swapped, but 0 is less than 8, so it will be swapped. So here I'll be needing two loops, and two loops, because we are using two loops, the time complexity will be O of n square. What is O of n square? We'll be discussing in the upcoming videos in our asymptotic notation video. Fine. So here are the we'll be needing two loops. As I have said, the two loops will be working in such a fashion that I will be targeting the particular this element, and another loop will be targeting this element, and then we will be comparing both the elements and then just simply swap those elements if the either element, that means the left side element, is less than the rightmost element. For a basic understanding, you can say. Let's codify the bubble sort algorithm. Here I'll be needing a for loop in the iterator I, starting from 0 to I less than size minus 1. That means the index before the last element. Fine. Then self-incrementing this, then inside this let's take another iterator, that means j. Starting j will be less than size of I minus 1, and then plus plus j. Fine. So now what we'll be doing is nothing but we'll check if error j greater than error j plus 1 or not. If it's greater than, we'll just simply swap it. So here I'll be using the inbuilt function, that is swap of two elements. It's nothing but error j plus 1. Fine. As we have used two loops, the complexity is of O(n) square. Fine. So let's run this code and check if it's working or not. See, as I have shown this or printed this, because I haven't called the function. Let's call the function over here, that means bubble sort, then error. As we haven't returned, or this is non-return time function, so we don't have to assign any variables over here. I hope this works. See, the algorithm works. So this is bubble sorting algorithm. Fine. I hope you got the solution over here, and its working principle, how it's working, and the complexity. So the complexity analysis will be done in our next tutorial videos. I expect you loved this tutorial and you got some basic idea. So go through this one, and bye bye till then. Bye bye.